Hey everyone, Ali here. So I want to talk about due diligence. As most of you know, when you're buying a practice, due diligence is the homework you do on the practice that you're buying. And there's legal due diligence, there's financial due diligence, there's practice management due diligence, and we've done other videos on the types of due diligences, so we won't go through that. But the question that I want to bring up is, what do you do if you find out that the seller is being sued during your due diligence? So if you find this out, there's a couple of things that are important. One is you got to find out why they're being sued. Is it a malpractice case? Is it an employment law case? Is it another kind of slip and fall case with a patient? Is it the landlord? Is it the IRS? You know, who's coming after them is vitally important, because depending on who it is, it could impact a number of different things having to do with your transaction. Sometimes you can deal with it, and contractually we can have them indemnify you, which basically means that they will cover any and all costs if you get dragged into the lawsuit after you purchase the practice, or maybe a reduction in the purchase price is justified because it increases the risk of the transaction for you. So there's a lot of different options, but the first step is to find out what kind of lawsuit is it and figure out exactly what's going on. Then make sure you're talking to someone like me to help navigate the next steps. Don't just walk away, don't cancel the deal, because most of the time these types of things can be resolved and managed. What is more problematic is if you find out and the seller has been hiding it. If the seller has been hiding it and not disclosing it, then we've got other fundamental problems, because maybe they're hiding other things you don't know about. And so again, we need to talk more about it at that point, but the tip for today is, don't just cancel a deal if you find out someone's being sued. It's manageable, but we've got to get some information first. Talk to you soon.